sea, pretty much in the middle of nowhere. But over there is a lake that I want to get Dan to see.
Hey!
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 Dan!
What's up, man?
How you doing?
I'm good. Just handing out some Corona to you there.
Thank you very much.
Well, this is quite the setup we got going on here, man. We got Inspires, Phantom 4s. It looks like it's been chopping some grass for you.
Oh, yeah. And then the Mavic 2 Pro. And you see that TV screen?
Yeah.
I'll use that if I do an HDMI out of the controller. Like on here, I can do HDMI out.
So what do you put a power inverter in there?
I got a power inverter
Really?
and I watch it on a 12-inch TV.
Never thought about that.
Yeah.
That's a cool idea.
Not too bad, but all right, the reason we're stopped here is right beyond this here, where you could see this wind. The radio station just said 30 miles an hour. We'll check it on UAV forecast.
I mean, it's a little windy.
Now, UAV forecast is showing 34 mile an hour winds with gusts at 45. Right over here is this beautiful pristine lake that has a concrete drive up to drop off your boat and all that, and a wooden dock and all. But that one company that tests out their ski-doos, Bombardier, bought all this land.
Really?
So I don't know if you noticed that they're stealing sand from here to build houses.
Wow.
The houses have to be 10 feet up from the last house, so you swamp your neighbor when it rains.
Gotcha, yeah.
Honestly, I don't know why they do that.
What's the deal? They just built that up so that nobody would...
They don't want you to walk back there.
Really?
Yeah.
Nobody said anything about not flying
They
back there.
didn't say that, so we're going to take a look. The easiest is to just send the Mavic 2 Mini out. If you look out over the lake there, you can see a concrete boat ramp and a wooden dock. Both are being overgrown at the time. This lake in this area used to be a common playground back in the 80s and early 90s. And then it was all bought out by Bombardier, and they own the land now. So they've got this front, you see that berm there, they've got that so it stops people from getting to the lake area. And the police were called out because they had heard reports of shotguns going off in the air, which there were, and we wound up talking to the officer, and turns out that he actually flies for the Palm Bay Police Department, and that's what he was in the area for. Just to the right is actually Osceola County, which is all marshland there. The marshes just get filled in and then built up upon. So we went off to an area back there in the south of this picture and started flying again the Inspire and the other drones we had.